Hey everybody, I'm going to talk at you about the thread size here on for your motorized bicycle for the gas tank. What thread size do we have here? Now this one here is the one that accepts this type of Petcock here. Okay? What size are these threads? Well, there's really two answers. Well, no, there's one correct answer. Is M10 by 1.0. However, National 1/8 inch NPT pipe threads are the same thread. They're so doggone close, only its mama wouldn't be able to tell the difference, okay? So you can take 1/8 inch pipe fittings and screw them in to this fitting here, or if you're building a custom gas tank and you want to be able to utilize your kit Petcock, you can weld on a 1/8 inch female. Take this piece of trash filter off. Don't use this filter, okay? Get rid of it. Okay? So you can weld on a 1/8 inch female fitting to your custom made gas tank. Put you some Teflon tape on the threads, screw that bad boy in there, and you're good to go. So keep that in mind in your builds. And one other little side note, like I said, throw away the fuel filter that comes with your Petcock. Utilize this here that comes with a kit. They're pretty decent filters. And let's see here. You see that little black thing in there? That's a magnet. What that magnet will do is attract steel, chunks of steel, magnetic particles. Protect your carburetor from getting all gunked up. Now, most fuel filters have an arrow indicating the direction of travel. This one here should travel that way. There's no arrow on this one here, but we know by the magnet that's the inlet side. Plus, another cue is for me is if you have trash in your gas and your filter captures it, you want to be able to see it. So if we have fuel going in this way here, all your junk is going to get collected inside that paper element and you won't see it. It'll be clogged up and you won't know it. So that's the bonus. That's why you want to have it flow in the correct way. That way you can see it if it's gunking up your fuel filter. So hey, in building, you got choices. 1/8 inch NPT, 10 millimeter by 1.0 threads. If you have a 10 millimeter 1.0 hex nut, you can weld that onto your custom built gas tanks as well. Hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up if I helped you out. There's a subscribe button down there somewhere. I want to thank you for watching.